We're diving into the fascinating world of real estate and uncovering the secrets behind the mysterious word escrow. So, what exactly is escrow? In simple terms, escrow is like a middleman during the real estate transaction. It's a neutral third party that helps to ensure a smooth and fair process for both the buyer and the seller. Think of escrow as a protective bubble around your transaction, shielding you from potential risks. When a house is in escrow, it means that the buyer and seller have reached an agreement on the terms of sale, but the deal isn't quite final yet. During this period, various steps are taken to ensure that everything goes smoothly before the keys are handed over and the sale is complete. So the next time you hear the word escrow, remember that it's the key to a fair and protected real estate transaction. The origin of escrow can be traced back to ancient times, when trusted intermediaries helped assets in custody until the certain conditions were met. Over time, escrow evolved and became an internal part of modern real estate transactions, providing a structured and secured process. The purpose of escrow remains consistent: to act as a neutral third party, holding funds, documents, and assets until all obligations are fulfilled. Thanks to establishment of escrow, transactions have become more secure, transparent, and reliable. We now dive into the key steps that make up escrow process. Step number 1: offer and acceptance. This is where the buyer making an offer to purchase the property and the seller accepts it, creating a mutual agreement. Step number 2: opening escrow. Once the offer is accepted, escrow is officially opened. The neutral third party is now involved. Here in Florida, we use title companies to handle the escrow process. Step number 3: title search and inspections. This step involves title search to ensure the property title is clean and performing properly inspection to assess its conditions. Step number 4: contingencies and negotiations. Contingencies are conditions that must be met for the transaction to proceed. During this stage, negotiations may occur to address any issues. Step number 5: loan approval. If the buyer is obtaining the mortgage, this step involves the lender reviewing and approving the loan application. Step number 6: figuring out the property value and meeting the closing requirements. At this stage, an appraisal is done and we know how much the property is worth. Additionally, closing conditions such as repairs and additional documents are addressed. Step number 7: finalizing that transaction. This is the culmination of escrow process. All parties fulfill their obligations, funds are transferred, and the necessary paperwork is complete. The sale is done, and a happy day for all the parties involved. One of the remarkable benefits of escrow is how it protects both buyers and sellers in real estate transactions. For buyers, escrow ensures that their hard-earned money is safeguarded until the conditions of agreement are met. Buyers can have peace of mind knowing that their funds will only be released when they receive the property as agreed. On the other hand, escrow offers sellers security by ensuring that the buyer had met the obligation as well before seller releases the property. This protection gives sellers the confidence that they will receive the payment once all the necessary conditions are fulfilled. By acting as a neutral third party, escrow reduces the risk of fraud or misrepresentation. Escrow agents thoroughly verify important documents and secure that all parties are compliant with agreed upon terms. And here is the fun fact for you. While escrow is commonly associated with real estate transactions, it can also be used for transactions involving unique or valuable items. In the past, escrow has been used for collectibles, high-end vehicles, and even exotic animals. So the next time you think of escrow, remember that it's not just limited to the houses. It can also protect and facilitate transactions involving a wide range of valuable and unique items. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video for more exciting content. I'm Volha Elawadi. I'm your Central Florida real estate expert.